Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can I clone Facebook in this Realme smartphone. Let's check in this video. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, then friends click on apps. Here it is, you will see app cloner. Then you have to click on Facebook. Here you have to clone this app from here, create app clone like this, and you can see Facebook clone is now added to the home screen. Then you have to press back, and friends you can see here you have to write Facebook. Here it is the normal one, Facebook, and it is added to your home screen also. You can just type over here in the search bar, or you can see there are two Facebook are showing. This is one and this is the clone version of it. You can just run your second account on it, and you can, if you want to delete it, just long press it and click on uninstall, and your data will be also deleted. So make sure you have log out the account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.